Hi, my name is Jessica Mackwood. This is microbiology. This is the portion of that's due week 3, and this is the microscopy for microbiology, the use and functions of the lab report. This is going to be the video exercise. So what the exercise is to go ahead and get to know your microscope. In that point of view, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the top and move down to the bottom. So with that, you have right here, this is going to be your, sorry, let me move the camera a little bit. Make it so it's easier to kind of see what I'm explaining. So this is going to be your viewing station. This is where you're going to be actually able to look in and see what's going on underneath. Next you have this area, which is considered the head. It's what holds the ocular lens and the eyepiece into its place. And then you go into your turret, which is right here. This is going to help you to adjust and move. You're being able to magnify what you're actually trying to see underneath. The next object is going to be these, which is the objective lens, and this is what, when you use the different ones, this is what the turret holds, is the different magnitudes where you can actually see an image a little bit bigger that's really small, or vice versa. You'll be able to kind of gauge on what you can see and how you're seeing it. After that, you have your condenser lens, which is down here. Alright, and the condenser lens is the concentrates the light from the underneath stage. So it will make sense once I go over everything. So after that, you're going to look at the stage. So the stage is pretty much just like a theater. You have the stage where you hold things on or you present things. So this is where you can place your slides and all that. So you can actually see and have it held up with allowing light to come through to actually see the images through your ocular lens. Then you have your diagram, which is right down here. The diagram changes, and the amount of light that comes from underneath, we'll go over that one. Your illuminator is the light source. Your course of focus knob is going to be right here. This is going to give you the ability to adjust up and down. And then your fine focus knob is going to be right here. And what the fine focus knob does is adjusts the distance away from the slide. The stage adjustment knob moves up and down, and that is going to be right here. And then your other stage adjustment knob is the same area, just two different ones. One moves up and down, the other one moves the slide right or left. So that kind of makes it easier, so you're not using your hands to actually slide the slide, because then it can also scratch it. You're using the tools that the microscope gives you to be able to adjust how you're viewing what's on the actual slide. The last is the base. So that's going to be this hoo-ha right down here that allows you to hold everything together into place, as well as, if you see, it has an opening so you can actually put that light source in there, so you're able to actually see the specimen on the slide. Thank you for this week's video feedback, and I hope I do well. I'm a little nervous and trying to still catch up, so thank you.